This morning we're headed out to the market meetup, which is the first Sunday of every month and hosted by Dale up at the village market. It'll be really good to see a lot of friends we haven't seen in a while, since it's going to be a very nice day and projected to be even nicer in the afternoon. We expect a really good turnout. So here we are at the market. It's really early. Of course, everybody's out early today. Look at the sky. We're living in Florida here or something. And they're going to start rolling in soon, that's for sure.
Best bike in the world is here.
Second best. And second fastest too. Might want to back up a little bit.
Hey Mike, how are you?
Good, how are you?
That's the second best bike in the world.
Yeah, this is the first one.
You should clean it up before you come to the show. They give the trophy out who's got the most bugs on a bike.
Look, I buffed the tank up there.
That is one heck of a paint job.
Better,
I'm telling
huh?
you
It's getting better.
You've been watching a lot of windy videos, huh?
Too much.
Yeah, I know. I'm going right to Puerto Rico with it. Or Cuba, even worse.
So if a cop sees you with no...
I bought it that's 25 years old.
Wow.
I keep putting great players.
Who made it through the winter?
There he is!
Hey, Mark, what's up, guy? Hey, huh?
Oh my God.
We're gonna burn some fuel after this is over?
Yeah, I want to be home by like 12:30. So the guy I was telling you about owns this Paso.
Okay. And he's trying to sell it?
Yeah.
All right, so anybody out there wants a Paso, where's his phone number?
Right on the bottom.
Oh, that'll help. Okay, you guys, anybody wants a Paso? You know they're going to have a great turnout today.
Yes.
That's for sure.
I should have brought the...
I like the goggles. These are cool.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great.
I should have brought the...
This is a Tron.
Oh, this is a Tron.
750.
Okay, 750. And the Bonneville was a...
Originally a 650.
They're not making the victories anymore. Polaris owns the victories. Okay.
I got a couple bucks here, guys. So I never realized the trash
I'll give it.
Hi, 1 second. Yeah, sure. I'm not blowing you up. Oh, wait, let's see. I gotta take this just for Karen. Wow, nice. How old now?
6 months.
Wow.
6.5 months.
Wow. That's a good license plate.
The lady's like, oh, you don't need a permit for that. So you just go right across the...
Wait, Brian, I'm headed out. Don't worry about the ferry. I'll just
onto the parkway, go bang, 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 hit the top of third gear, I look down, I'm going 100. I had to go, and I think I had to go to the police department.
Have a good one, guys.
Right? I was very lucky.
We got UFOs hovering over us taking video. I'm not sure if you can see it. He's hovering and shooting video. That'll be out on YouTube today too. Maybe before me. Very cool.
Say hello to me. This was their bike.
Was their bike?
That was his bike. He bought it new at Abel's.
Oh, he bought a new?
Yeah.
Wow.
1978.
Wow.
That guy took it cross country.
So you go way back. You're not 18 years old, huh?
We're in the same class. So,
It looks great, Peter.
yeah, it's much better than it was.
He knows his stuff. He's a restoration expert. His opinion is sought after by people all over the world.
If you look closely,
Nobody listens to him. He's famous Pete. You going up to Perkins, Steve?
not today.
Okay. Catch you later.
I'll follow
up.
Who else is going?
Just you and I.
No, we're up at lovely Perkins and we're the first ones here. I don't think there's a lot of guys here yet. We're gonna hang out for a couple hours and then take a nice ride. Whoop. Oh my God, he went overboard.
I better put it in four-wheel drive.
You better put it in one-wheel drive here. Look at this. Can you do a wheelie with these things? Or what do you call it? Sure you could. You could do a two-wheelie where two of the three are in the air. Wow, that's cool.
My frame is bent.
One thing, at least you get your money's worth. You always get a crowd over. They all want to know if they could put the dog in the sidecar and you'll take them for a ride.
Shit.
It's like the old TT100.
A lot of people do that.
Yeah?
George, did you ever ride in a sidecar?
No. I don't want to.
Listen, I'm going to tell you a true story. On my father's grave, I was 7 years old. He passed away when I was 8. I was 7 years old. He took me to Washington in the sidecar.
Who did?
My father.
Oh.
And it rained the whole way there. I was sitting in a bathtub by the time we got.
Filled up, man.
Yeah.
Oh.
And he just kept slapping me and said, "Tough it out."
He almost killed you.
He got pulled over. He got pulled over by a cop. The cop said, "You were going 70 miles an hour." He said, "I was going a lot faster than that."
Oh. A road here, no commies allowed. Okay. You're gonna win. He's so left as far. He's right again. He's
Well, it's not going to be long, and you'll see all the greenery coming in. It really is a scenic lookout here. This is Perkins.
Nice to meet you.
Well, unless you don't want us to leave. We're gonna go to King Cone's after this.
What?
King Cone's.
That's beautiful.
It's a place to have ice cream.
River town, all pretty.
The nicest ones out, the nicest bathroom.
I thought I saw mirrors.
So where would you ride in?
The field guy, an old German guy with one.
Bottom 80. Yeah. So I get myself to the bottom of 83. Go up 83.
That's before they was everything was computerized. I heard Gordon tell him, come over here and start coaching shit, I'm gonna throw you out. So,
I'm leaving right now.
What's going on?
The baby's in a hospital.
Oh my God, why?
I don't know. She's panicking. They just rushed the baby to the hospital. You okay? Everything's okay?